I am S.B. Misra going to teach you the chapter 2 relation and function. This is for class 11 mathematics students of all sections. A cross B. A cross B read as A cross B called Cartesian product of two sets A and B. Now suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Then find A cross B. Let us see how A cross B is obtained. If AB is ordered pair, then A must belongs to set A, B must belong to set B. Remember this. A cross B is the set of all ordered pair. This is the definition of A cross B. A cross B is the set of all ordered pair like AB, where A is a member of A, B is the member of B. Now let us create A cross B. Write two set A and B. Write 1, 2, 3 in first set, 2, 3, 4 in second set. Now 1 can go to 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Similarly 2 can go towards 2, 3, 4. Green signal. Red signal first, then green, then purple signal. So 9 such ordered pairs are possible. So this is the answer. This is graphically 1, 2, 3 set A on x-axis, set B on y-axis, and if the horizontal and vertical lines are drawn, these points will denote A cross B. This is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. All these points are ready. So how will you write all these? It depends upon you. You directly write without arrow diagram. 1 goes to 2, 1, 2, 1 goes to 3, 1, 3, 1 goes to 3, 1, 4. 3 sets, 3 ordered pair. Then 2 will go to 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 will go to 3, 2, 3. 2 will go to 4, 2, 4, 3. Now the position, take position for 3. 3 going to 2, 3, 2. 3, 2. 3 is going to 3, 3, 3. 3 is going to 4, 3, 4. In this way we can write. This is the arrow diagram and this is the graphical representation. Now if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, write A cross A. Find A cross A. 1, 2, 3 cross 1, 2, 3. Like the previous question, you can do the set form, this type of thing, or directly you can write 1 goes to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Again 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Again 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So 9 such ordered pairs collection is called A cross A. Now equality of ordered pair. If AB is equal to CD, A must be equal to C, B must be equal to D. First is equal to first, second is equal to second. First member of this set A, first member of this set C. So both are equal, second members are equal. Meaning of AB belonging to A cross B means first A must belong to A, second B must belong to B. So this is the meaning. Now meaning of AB belongs to A cross A. If both are A, then this A will also belong to A and this B will also belong to A. So this is the meaning. Now A cross B, this is the definition mathematically. This is the collection of AB such that A is a member of A and B is a member of B. Next question. Question number 3. If the two ordered pairs are same, then first member is equal to first, second is equal to second. Write two equations, multiply it by 3 and solve like class 10 linear equation. You get A and B, the answer is over. Fourth number. A and B are given so that A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B, write A then B, then write the member 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3. So these are the members. B cross A, write the value of B, then cross, then write the value of A, then 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Again 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. And by picture you can express it. A 1, 3, 5, B है 2, 3. So 1 can go to 2 and 3, 3 can go to 2 and 3, 5 can go to 2 and 3. And thus by arrow diagram we can represent this and we will get the same thing. arrow diagram representation. Now clearly AB is not equal to BA, because here in the first set 1 2 is given, here 2 1 is given, so 1 2 is not equal to 2 1. Now question number 5. If A given, B given, C given, find A cross B union C. Get B union C in right side. After that, A cross B union C, write the member. 1 will go to all the 4 green. 1 is going to all the 4 green. Similarly, 2 will go to all the 4 greens. Similarly, 3 will go to all the 4 greens, and thus we have written. Now what is the member of A cross B union C? इसमें member कितना है? We have just now we have to calculate A cross B union C. Count the member 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So there are 12 members in all. Next, there is a formula to find NA cross B. This is NA cross NB. Short question. There is a B, C given. Find NA cross B and B cross C, and also evaluate this. Now NA is equal to 3, because 1 2 3 members. NB is equal to 2 members. NC is equal to 3 members. So to find NA cross B, use the formula NA cross NB. So 3 into 2 6 member. NB cross C, NB into NC. So 2 into 3, the values are given, get 6 member. Or otherwise find directly A cross B. A cross B, write A then B, then write all the members. After that count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the number of member in A cross B is 6. Here also 6. There are 2 ways to answer the question. Either do like this long way, then announce 6. Similarly, B cross C, find B cross C, write the member of B and C, then write the member of cross, count the member 1 2 3 4 5 6. So again B cross C and B cross C is also 6. So either do by formula or do by this way. Now to find, next we have to find out A cross B intersection B cross C. Find A cross B. A cross B we have obtained, B cross C we have to obtain. Now you have to take common in both. The common in both is 3 4, so 3 4 is the answer in intersection. Now A given, B given, and C is also given 1 2. A is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. But remember that when class 10th quadratic equation is solved, we get 2 and 3. Mid-term split, get 2 and 3. So A is equal to 2 3. B is equal to whole number from 0 and not 2. So 0 1. C is already given. Now find this, verify this is equal to this. To verify LHS is equal to RHS, we need 3 brackets. So first of all, we are going to find A cross B, A cross C, B union C. The 3 brackets are being solved. You know how to solve the 3 brackets. Put the value of A and B, then cross. How to find cross, you know. A cross C, you know. B union C, write B, then union, then C. The common in all. Now LHS. LHS is A cross B union C, write A, then cross B union C. Then 2 0 2 1 2 2 3 0 3 1 3 2, write the members. Then RHS, A cross B union A cross C. A cross B you have to got, A cross C you have to got. So union means all are taken. So you are observing that LHS is equal to RHS. Now relation. Relation is a subset of A cross B, and the total number of relation is 2 to the power n A cross B. So this is 2 to the power na into 2 to the power nb by formula of this. Na cross b is equal to na cross nb. Now definition of relation. Relations are subsets of A cross B. Let A is equal to 1 2 3, B is equal to 4 5. Now A cross B is equal to 1 2 3 cross 4 5. You know how to write the member. Now the total number of relations by the formula N A cross B is equal to Na cross Nb. Na 3, Nb 2. So 64 relations are possible. Now I am going to write some relations. This is empty relation, nothing is taken. Now 1 4, I have selected 1 4 1 5 2 4, 1 4 1 5 2 4, green. So this is a relation. Whatever we wish we can collect. Again collecting the red dot 1 5 2 4 2 5 3 4 1 5 2 4 2 5 3 4. This is again a relation. So it depends on us which type of things, which type of ordered pairs are being selected by you. Now these are the relations. As many you can take, 1 or 2 or 3 or all you can take. We get the relation from this. Now if R is equal to AB, then A must belong to capital A, B belongs to capital B. Is a relation from A to B. This is called relation from A to B if two sets are given. Now AB is, we write AB is a member of relation. So here in the question 1 4 is a member of R, 1 4 is a member of R, 1 5 is a member of R, 2 4 is a member of R. So we can write all these, but 7 8 is not the member of R. 7 8 is not the member of R. If R is a subset of A cross B, then the relation from A to B, already told earlier. If R is a subset of A cross A, then the relation is set from A to A. Let A is equal to 1 2 3, get A cross A. 1 2 3 cross 1 2 3. You know how to write the members. Now the number of relations are 2 to the power n A cross A. Same set has been taken twice, so A cross A. So na cross na, 2 to the power 3 cross 3, 2 to the power 9 relations are possible. I am taking some typical relation. 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 3 3. Same thing. 1 1 2 2 3 3. Repetition of 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3. Doublet. This is called doublet. You know from class 10 probability chapter. So this type of relation where doublets are collected is called reflexive relation. If you are collecting doublets 1 1 2 2 3 3, 4 4 is not possible because in the set A 1 2 3 are only elements, so we can never get 4 4. So the collection of all doublets is called reflexive relation. This type of relation is called reflexive relation. Now symmetric relation. Symmetric relation, if AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R. Just now I am going to create one more relation. 1 2 then 2 1. If AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R. Just see once more, repetition, symmetric relation. If AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R. 1 2 and 2 1, both are being taken from the upper set 1 2 2 1. उल्टा है तो सीधा भी है, 2 3 है तो 3 2 भी है, उल्टा भी है. 1 2 है तो 2 1 है, 2 3 है तो 3 2 है. It means if AB is given, then BA must be here. This relation is called symmetric relation. Likewise, transitive relation. If AB is a member of R, BC is a member of R, B and B will be silent or cancelled, then AC must belong to R. 1 2 belongs to R, 2 1 belongs to R. So 2 2 silent, so 1 1 belongs to R. So this type of relation is called transitive relation. In future you will know more about this. This is the most urgent problem, how to find domain, codomain and range of the relation. Let A and B are given, so that R, this is also given, is a relation from A to B. Find domain and domain of R, codomain of R, range of R, depict by arrow diagram. Now A and B both, A may write 1 2 3 in A, 2 4 6 in B, but follow the instruction. 1 is going to 2, only mark 1 is going to 2 and 1 is going to 4. Stop. 3 is going to 2 and 3 is going to 4. Nothing more else. Remember it. According to instruction you have to move. Now R is equal to already written here 1 2 1 4 3 2 3 4. So R is equal to this given. Now domain of R, the used element, collection of used element of set A. Used elements are 1 3, so 1 3 is the domain. Range are collection of used element of set B, 2 and 6, 2 and 4, so 2 and 4. And codomain are is the all elements of say second set B, so 2, 4, 6. Note, domain means used element of first set 1, 3. Range means used element of second set 2, 4. And codomain all elements of second set 2, 4, 6. Now 9 number, make yourself clear. Again, R is equal to this, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. The same set has been taken. There is no any B. So write 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3. Only one set is here, A. Now follow the instruction. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 1, 3 goes to 2. Now just see, all are used in first set, so the domain of relation is 1, 2, 3. In the range only 1 and 2 are used, so range is 1, 2. And in codomain, all the second set is called codomain. So the next part will be taught later on.